So this final video in the sub-council area projection section of this set of videos looks at producing our projection for a set of sub-council areas, here focusing on Aberdeenshire. So we've been through all of the input files in both the continuity and the training projection. In order to run a projection, we would open the scenario continuity for Aberdeenshire and simply click to run that model. Now, looking further forward in the future, all of these files will be prepared regularly by the improvement service, and so it will be a case of copying these input folders into the appropriate folder, having run a setup file for the particular set of sub-council area projections that one is interested in producing. So in order to run the model here, it's simply a case of clicking to run the model, and then the projections will be produced for this particular set of sub-council areas in Aberdeenshire, comprising 19 different areas. So once the model is run, and I've already run this, so I can go straight to where these folders are going to be saved, so I can look at my output folder. We have the standard set of POPGROUP outputs that we looked at before. So we can go and look at the reports folder to analyse those projections for Aberdeenshire. And I can use all the functionality that we have discussed in earlier videos. So for example, I might wish to run the Flying Pyramids programme, and I can select here areas within Aberdeenshire, so I might pick Banff and District, and I might add to that another sub-council area in Aberdeenshire, here East Garrioch, and I can explore how these populations change over time. So starting in 2001, so we're running right through the training period into the continuity projection itself. And we can see the change in these populations over time. So the projections that we've produced here form a basis for population change within local areas or sub-council areas, and one can change the assumptions that feed into these projections by creating new input folders and altering the scenario file to pull in different folders and assumptions around fertility, mortality and migration into the projection.